Now, at least 16 Irish citizens on board the flotilla delivering aid to Gaza have been detained by the IDF.
We're joined now by Sara Abdullah, whose mother, Louise Heaney, is on the flotilla and has not been heard from in 2 nights. Good morning to you, Sara.
Good morning.
A very worrying time for you, I've no doubt.
Yeah, I was a bit worried at first, but I know my mother's a strong, brave woman, and so is all the people who've boarded the flotilla. So,
Can you tell us about your mum and how she got involved in the flotilla?
yeah, so my mum has always been an activist in the community, and she's always doing the most she can to help people in need. She's the strongest person I know, the bravest person I know, and also anybody who knows her will tell you she's got the biggest heart, and she's very selfless. She's a very selfless woman, she is, yeah.
Mm. And has she always been involved in the cause for Palestinians and, of course, in Gaza before this all happened? It started, I suppose, 2 years ago.
Yeah, always. Since I was a kid, she's been talking about it to us and, you know, saying the injustices that has been going on and how inhumane it was, anyways, to the people, to the Palestinians in Gaza.
Mm. So tell us about your conversations with your mother. I know she's had her phone, as have all the activists, since they started this set sail. But can you bring us through how your conversations have gone over the last number of days and weeks? Because we've been watching this flotilla for quite a while now.
Yeah. At the start, it was just updates. So, like, obviously, she would tell us like where she was and whenever she got the chance. But over
could you FaceTime her or speak to her?
I was. Up until 2 nights ago, I was able to. She was able to reply to our text messages. We were going on. We have a family group chat. We were going on video calls all the time, just checking up on her and making sure everything's okay.
Mm. And your last conversation with her, can you tell us what that was like? Was she getting more concerned then?
Yeah, so she was telling us that they might be detained in the next hour, few hours even. And she did tell us that she'd give us a call beforehand. She never got the chance to do that, but she did warn us anyways and say, like, yeah, so we might be taken now in the next hour, like the ships are surrounding us and stuff like that, so yeah.
They were surrounding?
Yeah, there was one ship that was coming closer and they basically were circling their boat.
Wow.
Okay, and this happened in international waters as well?
Yeah.
Can you well, I know you've described your mum as somebody who you know, if she sees a situation, she's going to do something. Yeah, she's a doer rather than just somebody who gives comment.
Yeah.
But how did you react when she told you she was going on this flotilla?
I was proud of her, to be honest, because I know she's always going to do something to help, and that really proved the point there, the fact that she was ready to risk her life in something like this. Do you know, I mean, in this cause, especially some cause that she's very passionate about, and that she's been talking about for a long time. She's been supporting that cause for a very long time now.
The risks involved, though, must be quite scary for you, your family, even your mother, because, I mean, it's utterly terrifying what's going on there. So we might think, because the eyes of the world are on this flotilla, that they may be safe, but that can never be guaranteed. Yeah. So how are yourself and your family feeling about that, knowing that she's now being detained and arrested by the IDF?
Obviously, it's a bit worrying at first, but as you said, the eyes of the world are on this. So I can rest assured knowing that nothing too bad can happen to her. And I've been reassured many times because of the situations before and the flotillas that have gotten to sail before, they have been detained, and so I'm going off of past experiences. So I have talked to Paul Murphy. I talked to him yesterday at the protest, and he did tell me that the last time he was on a flotilla, it took him a few days to a week to get sent back. So I'm not worried about her coming back. I know she will.
And you're not worried about her safety?
Obviously, a small bit, yeah, because you never know what's going to happen. But she is a strong and brave woman, so I feel like she's going to be just fine.
Yeah, because she was involved in a previous flotilla.
Yeah. It wasn't too recent nows, and they went to Cairo to try and deliver aid there as well. It didn't end up getting to the point where they got to do it. But yeah, she's very involved in stuff like that, especially anything, even feeding the homeless and stuff. She was involved in that.
What sort of support are you getting from your peers, be it in your area of study, be it your friends, people around your community? Are you getting the support you need throughout this, because it's your mum?
Yeah.
And she's in a very precarious situation, so of course it's only natural to have like sleepless nights. You haven't heard from, concerns, worries. What's your support structure been like?
It's been amazing, actually. I've got a lot of friends around me, and the community even around me have been very supportive in sharing what's going on at the moment, especially involving my mother, not just my mother, but other Irish civilians who were also taken. And yeah, my friends and my entire community have been the most supportive, and especially my family.
Okay.
Well, she's an inspirational person.
Yeah.
She's got one of our mates here as well in the background who's busy clicking away, taking photographs of you.
Yeah.
And I'm sure your mum's very proud of you.
Yeah.
So thank you for coming in to talk to us.
Thank you.
Sarah, it's lovely to hear from you, and for you to share your knowledge of your mum and what sort of person she's like, and hopefully you'll hear from her before the day is out. We'll have our fingers crossed. Thank you so much.